Hello, I welcome all of you in Datawiz. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of descriptive statistics using Minitab, a powerful statistical software that simplifies the process of analyzing and interpreting data. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Datawiz. Now let's jump into the Minitab and explore the descriptive statistic. We are going to discuss about the descriptive statistic with a sample data. See, we have two data, that is two column, that is hardness and this one is temperature. So we are going to find the descriptive statistic for this. So how can we do that? See here, you can see this is a header for both the column and see all are the record. These are all are the data. You can see here when I scroll down, you can see that. So now I am going to do the descriptive statistics. So we simply click here the stats, then click on the basic statistic, then click on the display descriptive statistic. So I simply click on this. So here is, so the new dialog box has been open here. So you can see here this is C1 and this is C2. You can see here that this one is C1 and this one is C2. C1 is hardness and C2 is temperature. So we simply click in the variable box, we simply click on the hardness and then select it. Now again we simply click on the temperature and simply click on the select. So both the variable we are entering in the both the variable, that hardness and temperature, we both enter this into the variable box. Now simply click on the statistic. So here you can see that the new dialog box has been open here. So here we simply click on mean has already been selected, standard deviation has always been selected. Now click on we click on the variance, coefficient of variation and range. Then we simply click on OK. Then we click on the graphs. Say so the new dialog box has been open here. So there are the 4 points, that histogram of the data. So we click on the histogram of the data, with normal curve. So we simply click on OK. So I have selected both the variance, mean, mode, median, standard deviation. I also select the graphs. So now I simply click on the OK button. So the process has been done. So you can see that this the statistic, variable hardness and temperature. So the mean of the hardness is 30.59, standard deviation is 1.04, and you can simply see that also range, this is variance, this is coefficient of variance, this is median, this is quartile 1, this is quartile 3. And when I scroll down, you can see here histogram of the hardness, histogram of the temperature, and this one is histogram with normal curve of hardness, histogram with normal curve of temperature. So here are very simple process. So that brings us to an end of our journey through descriptive statistics in Minitab. I hope you found this video informative and that has empowered you to use Minitab with confidence in your data analysis. If you have any questions, comments, or if there are specific topic you would like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us.